I think the main driver for all physicists is curiosity. And the best thing about teaching physics is seeing the emergence of that curiosity in students. And that's really what science is about, actually having an open mind and exploring nature as it is.
It allows you to sort of go and understand all the things around you, because I needed not to just look at all the amazing things in the world, but I needed to understand why they're like that, how everything works.
Everything you look at on a daily basis, you find is, in part, you can study with physics. It doesn't matter whether you're looking at the stars, your phone or the TV, you can find that something in there has been done by a physicist.
I also did my undergraduate degree here at Cardiff, so I've been on both sides of the coin, both a student and a lecturer. We are very research active, so students here get a real interaction and a real day-to-day link with cutting-edge research. And that's really something that I found as an undergraduate. I was being taught by world experts in gravitational wave astronomy, Big Bang theory, just all the things I'd heard about on the TV, and being taught by them day to day is really special, and that's what students coming here have.
We've got the strong research background, and with that strong research group we have our strong teaching as well. So we have a very personal way of teaching. We obviously do lectures, we do practical labs, but we've got the small group teaching in groups of a handful of students to one lecturer or one member of staff.
You have to have critical mass to be able to do all the subjects that people are interested in, but you're not so big that people don't know your name.
We believe in getting the best out of students by them being engaged with us. So we all learn together and work together. All of the work takes place mainly within one building, and there are a large number of contact hours. So it's very important to build that community and feel like we're all learning together.
I knew I wouldn't get lost in the crowd. I knew that, I can go to any of the lecturers' doors, knock on their door, ask them a question, and they'll help me as long as they have time. And I really like that idea in a department.
But I guess the thing that the students value most about their student experience here is in their final years when they actually undertake an independent research project. So that's something that all students have to do, and it's their first real go at being a real physicist, and it's their go at joining a research group and finding out what it's really about.
I spent 13 weeks in Australia working at an observatory, and I think that's probably one of my favourite things I've done as an undergrad.
We have students that are analysing data captured from telescopes about distant stars and galaxies that have never been seen by anyone before. They're the first people to really do this analysis.
You're doing real science with real data, and yeah, it's messy and it's noisy, but you get to do something real.
And so physics is a wonderful discipline for giving you that toolbox that you can apply to many different spheres of life.
If you want to do a physics degree and you want to go to university, you really have to feel at home where you're going to be. You're going to live there for 3, 4, sometimes 5 years. You may even stay on and do a PhD, so you may be there even longer still.
It was such a change to come to somewhere that's compact, it's nice, everything's within reach.
Cardiff seems to have it all. There are amazing restaurants here. There are plenty of parks you can go to. There's the waterfront, and also nearby, if you just want to go on a little train ride, you can go up to Bracken where there are dark skies, right? It's a national dark sky area. For someone who's studying astronomy as well, to be able to go and experience that is amazing.
The university is a friendly university. It's an integral part of Cardiff City. I think Cardiff as a municipal capital is very proud of its historic role that the university plays. And so I think students are very much welcomed in Cardiff.